Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Inju Puli. Inju Puli is an Onam Sadya special dish. It's a very delicious side dish recipe and it's very easy to make. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a mud pot and to this add 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. When the oil is hot, add 100 grams of ginger very finely chopped. Fry the ginger in medium flame for 5 minutes until they are nice and crispy. Mix continuously to make sure the ginger is evenly cooked. Now after 5 minutes the ginger is nice and crispy, so let's now remove from the oil. Keep this ready. Now to the same oil add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 3 green chillies finely chopped, few curry leaves and 3 dried red chillies. Mix it well. Now simmer the flame and add half teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and quarter teaspoon of hing. Mix it well. To this add the tamarind water. Soak 20 grams of tamarind in 1 cup of hot water for 15 minutes. Then extract the juice and add it. Allow it to come to a boil. Now it's nicely boiling, so go ahead and add the fried ginger and 3 tablespoons of jaggery. Mix it well. Cook for 10 minutes in medium flame until the Inju Puli is nice and thick. Now our Inji Puli is in perfect consistency and the flavor of the ginger, tamarind, jaggery and the spices has come together very well. So off the flame and allow it to cool completely. You can store this in an airtight container in refrigerator and enjoy for 1 week time. A very special, delicious and healthy recipe. So do try this Inji Puli recipe at your home for this Onam and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.